Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the difficulty settings within the Mortal Kombat XL game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Mortal Kombat XL on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, if you wish to change the difficulty settings, just go into the options menu. Now from the options page, you will need to go into gameplay. Now within the gameplay settings, you can find the story difficulty option. You have various different difficulty settings available, ranging all the way from very easy up until very hard. You can choose any difficulty setting that you wish, and after you have made your selection, you can just press the escape button to go back, and your changes will be applied right away. After this, you can start enjoying your game with your chosen difficulty level right away. And if you wish to change it once again in the future, you can go back into the options page, and from the gameplay menu, you can change your story difficulty at any point of time. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your difficulty level on the Mortal Kombat XL game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.